Yeah. Do the thing, Ben. Oh, that wasn't. What's up? Another beautiful day in Kentucky. Jeff Raw, AdH'D Missile Lab. We've been doing a lot of stuff. Oh, check this out. You wanna skate? Think about it. Think about it. Tomorrow it's gonna look worse. I'm just rambling. I need my tripod. Hold on a second. Come on, old girl. Okay, we're gonna have to jump that old girl. Move back for that. Boozac. Oh man. Thanks for hanging out with me today. We're getting the other shotgun box. This one's just gotta go. Voila. Big box. Damn. Oh. Damn. Ooh. You alright? You good? Nice. Count it. Oh yeah. What? What? I know. That was sick though. That looked awesome from here. If you're a rollerblader and you're not a part of the rollerblading, I don't know what they call it. I just call it the online YouTube community, I guess. But you just enter a video of you doing whatever the challenge is that month, and they put it in the big video. It's kind of fun. I've never done it, but I'm gonna try it. This month's a backside grind. So I built my own backside setup. This is my drop in, and there's the rails. So the plan is to do this up rail, then go across the shotgun box, and then if I'm feeling frisky, transfer to Sketchmaster FX. We'll find out. Goes up this, across that, transfer to the down. I don't know why I set such a high bar for myself, because there's no way I should be able to do that. But if I do it, I do it. If I don't, I don't. At least I tried. So here's some shots. Turns out we're not doing that tonight. Floor is way too wet. Not a chance in hell that I'm getting on that thing. So, cutting it out for tonight. Peace. Got the boots. Got our blading, our blading community backside rail set up. You know, you might as well go for it. If you're gonna do it, go for it, right? Looks like the floor's definitely drier than it was last night. I'm gonna put these on. We're gonna give it a couple whacks. Peace. was it. That was it.